how to repair acrylic plastic parts. Here you can see this tab is broken off. This is what it's supposed to look like. I'll check the dimension with a caliper. Grab a drill bit that'll fit. Drill out the hole. We've got a hole all the way through it. We'll make a round out of this square. Cut it off with a bandsaw. Instead of a lathe, I'll just use a drill press. Replace this drill bit immediately. Evidently, there's a $50 fine if you don't replace it immediately. I'll chuck it up in the drill press. Use a nice sharp file. I'm sure making this in a drill press is gonna tick some people off when there's a lathe right there. I hear it in the comments, why don't you do it right? Sometimes it's just enjoyable to do it wrong. I'll just take material off until it fits. When I get this to fit, I'm gonna attempt to spin weld this thing to heat it up and melt it in. We're getting real close here. While it's spinning, I'm gonna put it up in there, heat it up, spin weld it, and then let it go. Make sure it's square, and there we go. Nice and hot, I'll let it cool down. It is real hot in there. The spin weld is gonna be stronger than any glue I can find. I'd say not too bad without a lathe. We'll need to get the length and cut this off. I'll make a little scratch mark on there. I'll cut it with a hacksaw. This piece actually has to hold quite a bit of weight. I'll show you what it's for. These things are gonna hold up a shelf. Because it's not glued, it's spin welded, we can use it right away. Press it into the hole, nice and strong. I'll clip it into place. Now I could put something like an anvil on it. All fixed.